First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing letter on Pixel Lab in easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select the text, edit by rating, size the letter, font of letter, select the texture, go to the gallery, select a color of letter, adjust, select the 3D text, the path 5, change the color. Change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.